Welcome to my video on an interactive Qt Creator project. In this video, we will write a program for cafeteria management system by using C++ language. So first we have to create a new project by using this new button or plus button. So click this new button and then select Qt widget application. Okay, now I should decrease the size of this provided window, and then I have to click this choose button, and next I have to give a title to my project. So I will give title cafeteria. Okay, and then I will click this next button, and then you can see some options. These are provided by Qt framework. We will work with qmake, and then click this next button once again, and now this class information is provided, like class name is main window and base class is q main window, and header file name is main window.h. You can change these names. Okay, and then source file name is main window.cpp. Okay, and then we have to generate a form, that is main window.ui. This is used to create user interface for users. Okay, and then click this next button once again, and now you can convert your code into any language, but we will select this none. So by default language is English language. Okay, so click this next button once again, and now you have to select a compiler to compile your code. This is provided for my code, that is desktop 5.12.12 min GW 64-bit. Okay, so I have installed this compiler with my Qt creator. Okay, and then click this next button, and now my project will be created if I click this finish button. Okay, now our is created. Now we have to write our code for cafeteria management system. Okay, so first we have to create a user interface window. So I will open or expand this forms, and then I will open this main window.ui to create a user interface. Okay, so first I will give a title. So I will choose this label widget, and then I will drag it into this window. Okay, and now I have to increase the size or width. Now I will change text value. So I will type cafeteria. Okay, cafeteria management. Okay, and now I want to increase size of this font. So I will select it, and then I will click right button from my mouse, and then I will select this option change style sheet. Okay, now I have to write code. So first I will use name of this widget as a selector, like name of this widget is label. So I will choose q label. Okay, now it is a selector. Now we have to change font size. So here I will use font size property. Okay, and then I will provide size 30 px. Okay, and then use a semicolon. Next I have to change the color, background color. Okay, so here I will use background. Okay, and then I will use colon. Now I will use light gray. Okay, then use a semicolon. Next I have to change a font color. So here I will use color property, and then I will use white color for font. Okay, and then use semicolon in the last of every statement, and then click apply button, and then OK. Now this is our title, that is cafeteria management. I will increase the width, and then I will change the position. Okay, so I will drag it here, and then I will increase its width. Okay, now we can change its font style, like here I will select it once again, and then I will choose this change style sheet, and here I will use style. Okay, font style, sorry, font style, and then I will use italic, okay, and then use semicolon, and now I will click apply button, and now you can see that font style is changed to italic. So click OK button, and now I will change the position once again. So I will set it right here, okay, and next I have to use this label once again. So I will drag it into this window, okay, and here I will change the width, and now I will change text value. So here I will give a text value select item, okay, select item, and now I will change color and font size. So I will select it, and then I will click right button, and then I will choose once again change style sheet, okay, and now I will use this q label as a selector, and this is pair of curly braces, and next I have to change the font size. So here I will use font size property, and then I will give value 50, okay, px, and then use semicolon in the last of every statement in C++, okay. This is font size, and now I will change the color. So here I will use color property, and then I will give value blue, okay. So I will click this apply button, and then okay. So this is a label, that is select item. I will change the position, and now I will copy this, control plus C, and then I will paste it on next line. So now I will change the position here, okay, and now I will change the text value. Here I will give text value enter quantity, okay, enter quantity, because we have to get quantity of item. For example, if a customer selects a burger, and then we have to ask for quantity, okay. So this is first label to help or to tell customer that select item from given options, okay, and then we have to get a quantity, okay. Now we have to provide some options by using combo box, okay. You can find here combo box. This is combo box widget. So drag it into this window, user interface window, and then increase the size. Now I have to change the text style and size. So I will select it, and then I will choose change style sheet. Now I have to use q combo box, okay, combo box. This is a selector, and then I have to change the font size. So here I will use font size property, and then I will give value 15 px, and then I will give color or I will change color by using color property. So here I will give value blue, okay. So I will click this apply button, and then OK button, okay. Now we have to provide options in our combo box, okay. So I will change the place, and now I have to provide options. So I will select it, and then I will click right button, and then I will choose this item, edit items, okay. And now here I will click this plus button, okay. You can see new item. By clicking this plus button you will able to add a new item, okay. So click it, and now I will change name. So here I will give text value burger, okay, and then I will click this plus button once again, and here I will provide item shawarma, okay, shawarma, and next I will click this plus button once again, and now I will uh, give or add item cold drink, okay, cold drink. And next I will click this plus button once again, and now I will enter ice cream. Okay, ice cream, and then I will provide one more option. So I will click this plus button, and here I will type another item name. You can choose any name, but I will give value chips. Okay, so I am adding these five items, okay, to menu bar, and then I will click OK button. Okay, now we have five items in our combo box. Now I have to use line edit widget to get quantity of item. So here I will search line edit. Okay, line edit, this is line edit widget. I will drag it to this user interface window, and then I will increase the size. Okay, and then I will change the position. I will set it right here, and then I will change style also here. So I will choose this change style sheet, and now q line edit. Okay, so this will be used as a selector. So line edit widget. Now I will change font size. Okay, font size, and then I will give value 15 px, and then I will change color. So here I will use color property, and then I will give value blue. You can use any other color instead of blue, and then click this apply button, and then OK button. Okay, now I have to add two buttons. So here I will search push button. So this is push button. I will select it, and then I will drag it into this window. So I will change the size or height. Okay, and then I will remove this text value, and then I will give value. Okay, now I have to change it also. So I will choose once again change style sheet, and now our widget is a q push button. Okay, and then use pair of curly braces, and next I have to use font size property, and then I will give value 15 px, and next I have to change the color. So here I will give same color blue. Okay, you can choose a different color. So I will click this apply button, and then OK button. Now I will copy it, and then I will paste it to next, and then I will change the text value. Okay, so here I will give value cancel. Okay, so this button will be used to cancel order. Okay, now we have this combo box. Okay, with some items, and our customer can select any desired item, and then I will give his quantity, like if you want to purchase two burgers or three shawarmas, and then he can enter quantity of item. Okay, then he will click OK button. Okay, so I will select this OK button, and then I will click right button, and now I will choose this go to slot option. Okay, and then I will choose this click option, and then I will click OK button. Now you can see this function is added to main window dot cpp with name on push button underscore clicked. Okay, you can change the name of this function. So this function was added in main window dot h. This is header file. Okay, now here you can see in private slots you can see on push button clicked. So this was added here. This is globally. Okay, so here I will change the value or name. So here I will choose name button function. Okay, button function, and then I will save it. Now I will go back to main window dot cpp. Okay, so I will select it, and now I have to change the name, because I have changed name of this function, and now name of function is button, sorry, button function. Okay, now name of function is button function. Okay, so first we have to fire a signal by clicking this OK button, and then when this OK button will be clicked, then this button function will be called. Okay, so for this, here after this statement I have to use connect method. Okay, now because this push button is a user interface element, so here I have to use UI then arrow. Now name of widget is push button 1. Okay, so I will select it and then I will use a comma. Okay, now I have to send or fire a signal by clicking this push button, and now name of this push button was OK button. Okay, so here I will type signal. Okay, and then now when this button will be clicked, then this signal will be fired. So here I will type clicked. Okay, so this is clicked method, and when this button will be clicked, then this will be connected with a slot. So here I will use this pointer, and then I have to connect with slot. Okay, that's why I am defining here slot. Okay, and then this function will be called, and name of function is button function. Okay, button function. So here I have defined name button function and use a semicolon in the last. Okay, so now when this push button 1 or OK button will be clicked, then a signal will be fired. Okay, then it will be connected with a slot. Okay, then button function, this is button function, this function will be called. Okay, so here we have to get value from our combo box in this function. Okay, so here I will get value in a variable. So here first I have to define or declare a variable. So here I will define the type of variable, that is qstring, and then I will choose item name. You can use different name for your variable, but I am selecting this item. Okay, now we have to get by using user interface element. That's why you have to use UI then arrow. Okay, now the name of widget was combo box, so this is combo box. Now I will select it, and now we have to get current value. Okay, so here I will use this pointer once again, and then I will search current text. Okay, this is current text, so select this and then use semicolon in the last of statement. Okay, now I have declared a variable with name item, and then I am getting value from this user interface element, that is combo box. Okay, and then I am getting current text, the text that is selected. Okay, so this text will be assigned to this item variable. Okay, so next I have to get quantity. Okay, so here I have to declare an other variable with type q string. Okay, and this is quant. You can use different name, and I have to get value by using a user interface element. That's why I have to use UI and then arrow. Now the name of widget or user interface element is line edit. Okay, line edit, and then I have to define the type. So this is text. Okay, so I will choose text and then use a semicolon in the last. Okay, now I have gotten uh, this current text. Okay, that is selected. For example, if customer selects shawarma, okay, then shawarma will be assigned to this item variable. Okay, now we have to get this quantity. Okay, by using line edit widget. Okay, and because quantity should integer type, that's why I have to convert value of this quant variable into integer. Okay, so first I will declare a variable with type int, and I will declare variable with name quant int. Okay, now I have to convert it into integer. So how can we do it? I will use the name that is quant. Okay, quant dot to int. Okay, and then use semicolon in the last. Now value in this quant item will be converted into integer, and then it will be assigned to this quant underscore int variable. Okay, now next I have to use if condition. So here I will use if condition. Okay, and I will complete the body first. Okay, so this is body of if condition. Now first I have to compare value. Okay, so first I will check that if item. Okay, item, so this is item variable. Okay, item is equal burger. Okay, first we have to compare with burger. So if item is equal burger, I mean if it matches with burger, then we have to calculate a bill. Okay, so I will use or declare a variable with type int. Okay, so here I will declare it with name bill. Okay, now I have to calculate the bill. Okay, so how can we calculate? So I will set price 100 for our burger, and then I will multiply it with total quantity. Okay, so quantity is in quant int variable. Okay, so here I will define quant int. Okay, now if user selects burger and then he enters two quantity, then 100 will be multiplied with 2. Okay, then a bill will be printed. Okay, or calculated. So next I have to convert bill into string type, because I have to show bill value by using qmessage box. So if you have to show value of a variable by using qmessage box, then you have to convert it into string. Okay, so I will convert this bill variable into string. So here I will define type q string, and then I will declare a variable with name bill underscore st, or you can use different name. Okay, now I have to convert it. So what is method? This is q string and then scope operator, and now define the previous type, that is int, sorry, number, and now define the name of variable, that is bill. Okay, so in this way value in bill variable will be converted into string. Okay, so go to next line and then use qmessage box, but first you have to include it. Okay, so use sharp include and then q message box. Okay, now you can use this q message box in your project. So here I will choose name q message box. Okay, sorry, what is problem? Q message box. Okay, and then define the type. So type should information, it will show a information. Okay, so here I have to use this pointer. Okay, this, and then give a title for this qmessage box. So I will give title print bill. Okay, or bill. Okay, bill, sorry, bill. So this is title for qmessage box, and then use a comma, and now I have to print some string and value of variables. Okay, so here I will print a string first. So I will print that total bill. Okay, total bill for. Okay, now total bill for this part is string. Now I have to concatenate uh, quantity. Okay, that is in quant variable. So I have to concatenate this quant. Okay, so quant, now I am using this quant variable because its type is string. Okay, not quant int because its type is integer, and I have told you that you can use only string type variable in queue message box to show value of a variable. Okay, now I am using this quant, so it is a total bill for quant. If you have two quantity, then here two will be printed. Okay, now next I will give a gap. Okay, for two burger. So here I will concatenate once again, and now I have to get name of item. So name of item exists in item variable. So here I will use item. Okay. So this is total bill for two burger. Okay. Now I will use this pair of double comma, and here I will give a gap. Okay, for two burger is. So I will use here is, and now I will go to next line to make it clear and easy to understand, but you can perform all the action in the same line. Okay, so I am using next line to make it clear. Okay, so total bill for two burger is. Now I have to print the bill, so I have to concatenate a variable, that is bill str. Okay, so this is converted value, so I have to use this bill str. Okay, because its type is string. So after it I have to use string once again. So here I will use pair of double comma, and then I have to define only. Okay, so if you have purchased two burgers, then it will be printed as total bill for two burger is here 200 will be printed, and then only, and then use semicolon in the last of statement. Okay, so if customer have selected burger, then this bill will be printed, but if he purchase some other item, then what will happen? So I will copy this code, and then I will paste it to next line. Okay, so here I will paste it with control plus V, and here I will change the item name. Okay, so now I will use shawarma. Okay, shawarma, and then you have to enter correct spelling. Okay, and then I will change price. So here I will enter 80 rupees. Okay, so it will be multiplied with 80. I mean total quantity will be multiplied with 80 rupees. Okay, and then a total bill will be printed. Okay, so I will paste this code to next line. Okay, and then I have to change item name. So the previous was shawarma, and now I have to define cold drink. Okay, cold drink. So this is cold drink, and then I have to change price. So here I will give 30. Okay, now I will paste this code to next line once again. So here I will paste it. Now once again I will change the item name. Now I will use ice cream. Okay, and then I will change the value. I will give price 50. Okay, so these are four items. Now I will paste the code once again. So I have pasted this copied code, and then I will change the item. So now last item was chips, and then price of chips is 20. Okay, now I have completed all items. This is first, sorry, this one is first, this is second, third, fourth, and this last is fifth. Okay, now our code is completed, so I will save it, and then I will execute the project. Okay, so wait for a small while, and then we will able to test our project. Okay, so this is our output cafeteria management system. Okay, and these are our items. Okay, now I will select burger. Okay, and then I will enter to quantity. Okay, and then click OK. Now total bill for two burger is 200 only, so this is bill for two burgers. Okay, now click OK, and then I will choose shawarma, and then I will enter three quantity for shawarma. Then I will click this OK button. Now price for three shawarma is 240 rupees only. Okay, now click OK button, and then select next item, that is cold drink, and I will uh, enter quantity 3, and then click OK button. Now because price of a single bottle or cold drink is 30 rupees, so for three bottles or cold drink the total bill is 90 rupees. Okay, so click OK button, and then choose next item, that is ice cream. Okay, and now I will purchase only single item. Okay, so click OK. Now the total bill for one ice cream is 50 rupees only. Okay, so click OK button, and now I will test the last one, that is chips, and I will purchase five chips. Okay, so click OK button. Now because price for single chips is 20 rupees, so for five chips total bill is 100 rupees only. Okay, so these are all items, and we have printed bill for all the items with different quantities. Okay, so this was all about that how a cafeteria management system works. I hope this video will be very helpful and easy to understand for you. If you like the video, please share with your friends and class fellows, and if still you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel right now. Thank you.